Hey, welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. Here we're at the village of Old Point. We're going to go all the way down to Eastport. Let's check it out. Alright, we're coming down McNeil Drive. We're heading east and we're going to turn south down here on Denise Drive. You can see the garden villas on the right hand side of my truck. If you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. When we turn right onto Denise Drive, look at all the houses. If you see a house you like up here, contact your sales agent and see if that house is available, because there's a lot of houses for sale down through here. Now when we get down here, we get past these next 6 houses and we get going down Denise Drive, the houses on the left down by the golf course are not for sale. There's a lot of open houses and they're all for sale. Hey Steve, come out here. Yes, Dolores, he's flying by our house again. Steve, get over here. He's flying by our house. All right, we're heading down Denise Drive. We're going to go down to Craig Court and we're going to turn left. We're going to follow Craig Court all the way down to Corbin Trail. We're going to turn right onto Corbin Trail and head south down into Eastport. That's right, we're going to follow my truck down to Eastport. And then we're going to get out of my truck and we're going to walk around Eastport. We're going to see all the new and exciting stuff that is down at Eastport. You can see this is a very nice neighborhood down here. Well Point going into Oak Hollow. A lot of these villagers have taken really good care of their grass. And here's a tune to listen to the rest of the way. Take it away, Jimmy Buffett.
Hey now, na na, hey now, na na, hey now, na na, hey now, whoa whoa, hey now, na na, hey now, na na, hey now, na na, whoa whoa, hey now, na na, hey now, na na, hey now. I once knew a man, showed me the sleight of hand. In the blink of an eye, he'd dance across the strings. He played a song I'd never heard, poignant and absurd. And to this day, it leaves me wondering how I wish tomorrow I were fishing. Boy, I got a mission to shake it, rattle, and roll. Oh, now just use your intuition to get less competition from the clock up on the wall. You are what you are, you dream what you dream. Lay on your blue guitar for me. Play me a serenade, a simple masquerade. Play on your blue guitar for me. Was he real or make-believe, or someone to deceive? The time is just a folly we can't see. You only know one song, play it right or wrong, 'cause the truth is always somewhere in between. You and I, we can't change the weather, and we're all in this together, so let the strong winds blow. Oh, now things will be much better if you don't become a prisoner to the reasons you should know. You are what you are, you dream what you dream. Lay on your blue guitar for me. Play me a serenade, red wine and lemonade. Play on your blue guitar for me. You are what you want, you dream what you dream. Play on your blue guitar for me. Play me a serenade, a lover's masquerade. Play on your blue guitar for me.
Thank you. That was Blue Guitar by Jimmy Buffett. I love that song. Now let's get out of the truck and check out Eastport. So what do you think about that flight down here to Eastport? Yep, we're down here in Eastport, the Olympia Rec Center. Let's go down there and walk the path. Here you are, coming up at the Olympia Rec Center. Walk down through here. Check out the alley here. You can see that they have a big awning on the Olympia Rec Center here. A lot of windows. Curious villagers that want to know what's inside. Hey. Check out the lady pickleball player. It's pretty cool. They have all these little statues out through here. Oh, you gonna be nosy? Let's go look in the window. You really can't see anything, but they got the floor done. And you see the basketball goal. Yeah, scoreboards. All right. Continue the walk. I like the path they had down through here. I like the colors. I like how they did it. It looks like it's already worn down the middle of the path here. But it's brand new. That's the sales center over to the left. Entrance into the Olympia Rec Center over here. That's not open yet. Hey. Quite a few villagers down here. Hey, how y'all doing? My wife really likes the swimmer here. She likes how they did it. She's a swimmer. She's like a dolphin swimming. It's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, let's go across here to the star. I do like how they have no curbs. Wonder how far the villagers are going to push their golf carts on that. Check out Sunset Island over there. I guess they got this closed off here. Water's up a little high. Must be for our safety. Eastport Hotel. You can see where they're going to have the entertainment over here. Star. I like how they have the golf cart here. A lot of people are going to stop, have their picture taken in the golf cart. That's really cool. Little club car. She's all ready for the pitching putt. And so you can take your golf cart, you can drive your vehicle down through here. Pretty cool. All the palm trees they have down through here is really pretty. It's really nice. Come down here to buy a house, you can ride in the golf cart village. Bicycling, I like the bicycle. I think it's really cool that they have this. Didn't have that in the first Olympics, so. Got the trolleys you can ride. Get your reservation on them. Come down to the sales center. They can take you around, look at houses that you would like to buy. Ride in their golf carts that they would drive. See the sales center there, walking away from it. We have 2 houses, we don't need another one. I'm speaking to you. You can tell this is Florida. Look at the palm trees, beautiful day. It's probably in the mid 80s, nice breeze. Man. It's a wonderful day here in the villages. And if you're enjoying these videos, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you'll enjoy. Thank you.